I hate that part.
You know, this place about to blow.
Yeah.
Back door cracked, we don't need a key. We get in for free, no VIPs. Drink that Kool-Aid, follow my lead. Now you're one of us, you're coming with me. It's time to chill the lights and shut the DJ down. This place is about to blow. Tonight we're taking names 'cause we don't mess around. This place is about to blow. Blow.
Have you ever heard Catch a Blow lip sync? There's like this girl named Alana, and she's like wearing like a purple wig, and she's like.
It's funny. This place is about to blow. Oh, go away. We're having fun.
Say hi.
Loser.
Hey, this is going on video. Be nice.
Hello.
Hi. Sarah, say hi.
Oh, come on. You got that on video.